Model 2016 Citroen Relay 35L3 Diesel 2.2 HDi H2 van 130 PS Enterprise Body, white, panel van mileage, 1247888 engine, 2198 cc 4 HDi transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox and clutch are all good. Condition summary: bodywork is average. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call